Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to explore Hedra AI, a powerful tool for creating videos from text and images. First, let's have a look at the video generated by AI.
Claimed another laptop. The incident occurred at 8:43 a.m. in a co-working space when freelance designer Madison J. reached across her desk with reckless optimism.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to create this type of video step by step. Search for Hedra AI in Google and click on the official link. Click on Login or Sign Up. I will click on Login. You can sign in using your email and password, or sign in with Google. I will choose to sign in with Google. Now click on Video on the left-hand side. Type your own prompt in the prompt box, or click on the Inspire Me button to generate a prompt. I will choose the Inspire Me button. Next, click on Model to choose from different models. I will choose Hedra Character 3. Now choose the aspect ratio. You can select 9:16, 16:9, or 1:1. I will choose 16:9. Then select the resolution, either 540p or 720p. I will choose 720p. For duration, I will keep it as auto. Now it's time to create the audio. Click on Audio Script. Here you can upload audio, record audio, or generate speech. I will choose Generate Speech. You can either type the text or click on the Inspire button. I will choose the Inspire button. Once the text is generated, click on VoiceOver to choose a voice. After selecting the voice, click on Generate Audio.
This just in. A rogue iced latte has claimed another laptop. The incident occurred at 8:43 a.m. in a co-working space when freelance designer Madison J. reached across her desk with reckless optimism.
When the voice is generated, click on Add to Video. Now click on Start Frame. You can upload an image, capture an image, or create an image. I will click on Create Image. You can describe your image or click on the Inspire Me button to generate an image. I will choose the Inspire Me button. Click on the up arrow to generate an image. Wait for a few seconds and your image will be ready. Once the image is generated, click on Add to Video. Finally, click on the up arrow again to generate your final video. Wait for some time while Hedra AI creates the video. When it's ready, preview the video.
This just in. A rogue iced latte has claimed another laptop. The incident occurred at 8:43 a.m. in a co-working space when freelance designer Madison J. reached across her desk with reckless optimism.
If you are satisfied, download it onto your computer. That's it. You have successfully created a video using Hedra AI.
This just in. A rogue iced latte has claimed another laptop. The incident occurred at 8:43 a.m. in a co-working space when freelance designer Madison J. reached across her desk with reckless optimism.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.